Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can switch your camera to night mode and capture a photo in the dark on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Next, tap on the photo tab at the bottom. Now at night, when you are in a darker environment with very low light, what you can do is make sure this night mode is switched on. So tap on this button so that it is turning on night mode. And then you can swipe up. In here, tap on the night mode button. And if you are in a darker environment, you can change the time. This time will changes. It is a variable time. So depending on how dark your environment is, the darker it is, the more times you can select down here. And then just simply point your camera at the subject and tap on the shutter button. And you can see the shutter button takes around 1 second to capture a photo. And because it has a long exposure time to the light, then you can see the picture will be a lot brighter than what the camera can actually see. So that is how you can capture a photo with night mode turned on the iPhone 14 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.